Rachel here is gluten-free, and I don't think they have gluten-free options. But it's not your business. As Asians, we really like crunchy tacos. So we really like the crunch.
Hey guys, welcome to episode 6 of our branding series. Today we are talking about Taco Bell. Talking about Taco Bell.
How are you doing?
Taco-tastic. You can order when you're ready.
Taco-tastic.
In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by two separate yet equally important groups: the police who investigate crime and the district attorneys who prosecute the offenders. These are their stories.
So we are here going to talk about Taco Bell. So Kevin, what is your favorite thing about Taco Bell?
I am just mesmerized by the bag. I don't get it.
This is the first brand that I personally think doesn't have the best visual branding, while it may be a really great brand behind the scenes visually. But before we get into that, I'm actually going to tell you a little bit about how Taco Bell began. So Taco Bell actually started in 1962 by Glenn Bell. That's when the first Taco Bell opened in Downey, California. Glenn Bell, his background is actually really interesting. So he started out with a hot dog stand when he was in his 20s. And later he went and sold the hot dog stand, and he opened up another restaurant called Taco Tia. And I forgot what it had there. Blanking on that fact.
Tacos.
He was looking for, what wasn't accessible at the moment was Mexican food that was to go. So he was looking for a solution. Glenn Bell actually, he was the one that made the crunchy shell popular. While there's like some Mexicans that made it maybe before, he made it popular, which is pretty cool. You know, we're looking at their original logo with just the colorful, the type and like all the different squares, and it's so playful and so fun. And the original colors were actually picked to represent the colors of Mexico, which is really cool. And then through the years, the brand definitely evolved and looked definitely different. Now, they just recently, in the last few years, did a rebrand where they have the gray with the purple and the light purple. And quite frankly, it doesn't work. What I would have recommended, if they would have done something differently, if they were wanting to do a rebrand, is refresh the typeface, maybe refresh the bell a little bit, and just clean it up, make it look a little bit more 2019 as opposed to now. It just looks like kind of just a basic, boring logo with just a very simple typeface and some very flat colors. You don't think of Taco Bell as like a bland gray and a bland purple. The rebrand just was not, just was not an upgrade, and unfortunately it sucks. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, do all the fun stuff. And hey, if you have a logo or brand you want us to evaluate and take a look at, definitely send it in to the link below, hey@j29creative.com. Thanks, we'll see you next week.